Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the portable hotspot Wi-Fi tethering test in this Poco X3 Pro device. As you can see, friends, so these are Poco X3 Pro smartphones. So these are options which we are seeing in nowadays most of the mobile phones. But let's see in the Poco X3 Pro whether there is an option to create the portable hotspot using the Wi-Fi connection. So these are very good useful scenario where you can actually use the Wi-Fi connection as a portable hotspot. As you can see, friends, so right now I connected to the Wi-Fi network. You can clearly see here the difference. So I connect to the Wi-Fi network, and what this option does is that it can convert the Wi-Fi signal into the portable hotspot. So for example, in case if you get any of your friends visited to your home, and if you want to share the Wi-Fi with them, instead of just giving the password of this Wi-Fi network, you can actually just tether. So to enable this option, you need to go to the portable hotspot option, and here you can find this portable hotspot option. So just try to enable this. So as soon as you enable this option, you can see on the top you'll be getting two Wi-Fi networks, as you can see, friends. So that means the Poco X3 Pro is actually supported with the portable hotspot by using the Wi-Fi connection. So this is a very good useful feature, and a lot of mobile phones, they do support this kind of option. In case if you're having that kind of latest mobile phone, so try to check your phone whether you can actually use the Wi-Fi and portable hotspot at same time or not. So for more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, and also don't forget to check the links in description for more videos. So I am very busy nowadays in moving my house, so that's why I'm not making so many videos every day. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends. Definitely I'll do my best to cover a lot of reviews in the upcoming days as well. So don't forget to comment below what are the other videos you want me to make. Definitely I'll do my best to post those videos as well. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.